Have you ever wondered if there's a specific meal that could protect your brain from Alzheimer's disease? Today we're exploring the powerful link between what we eat and the risk of developing Alzheimer's. Food can protect your brain from the impact of chronic inflammation, sugar, and alcohol. We'll get to know the top meals you can start enjoying today to keep your mind sharp. Welcome back to Levitas. What is Alzheimer's disease and the risk factors? Alzheimer's disease is a progressive neurological disorder that leads to memory loss, cognitive decline, and ultimately, the inability to carry out simple daily tasks. It is the most common form of dementia, accounting for 60 to 80% of dementia cases. The exact cause of Alzheimer's disease is still not fully understood, but it's believed to involve a combination of genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors. Key risk factors include age, with the majority of cases occurring in people over 65, a family history of Alzheimer's, poor habits, and certain genetic mutations. Other risk factors include poor cardiovascular health, head trauma, and lifestyle factors like diet and exercise habits. While Alzheimer's can affect anyone, certain populations are at higher risk. The risk of Alzheimer's increases significantly with age, particularly in those over 65. Women are more likely than men to develop Alzheimer's, possibly due to differences in longevity and hormonal changes. Additionally, people with a family history of Alzheimer's, carrying the APOE gene, and individuals with conditions like hypertension, diabetes, and obesity are also at greater risk. Chronic inflammation is a significant contributor to the development and progression of Alzheimer's disease. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection, but when it becomes chronic, it can have harmful effects on the brain. Chronic inflammation can lead to the accumulation of amyloid beta plaques and tau tangles, the hallmark features of Alzheimer's disease. These abnormal proteins disrupt communication between brain cells, leading to cell death and cognitive decline. Moreover, chronic inflammation can damage the blood-brain barrier, allowing harmful substances to enter the brain and exacerbate neurodegeneration. This ongoing inflammatory process accelerates the progression of Alzheimer's, making it crucial to address inflammation early on. There are several factors that contribute to chronic inflammation, many of which are related to lifestyle choices. A diet high in processed foods, sugar, and trans fats is one of the leading causes. Additionally, chronic stress, lack of physical activity, poor sleep, smoking, alcohol, and exposure to environmental toxins can all promote chronic inflammation. Addressing these factors is essential in reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of Alzheimer's disease. We know sugar, even worse in high quantities, has a detrimental impact on brain health and significantly increases the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Excessive sugar consumption leads to elevated blood glucose levels, which can cause insulin resistance, a condition where the body's cells become less responsive to insulin. Insulin resistance in the brain impairs the brain's ability to use glucose, its primary fuel source, leading to cognitive decline and memory loss. Furthermore, sugar intake promotes chronic inflammation, which, as discussed earlier, accelerates the development of Alzheimer's. Reducing sugar intake is crucial for maintaining cognitive function and preventing the onset of Alzheimer's. Alcohol consumption is another significant risk factor for Alzheimer's disease. Chronic alcohol use produces neuroinflammation, oxidative stress, and the destruction of brain cells. These effects increase the risk of cognitive decline and dementia. Alcohol also disrupts sleep patterns, which are vital for brain health and the removal of toxins during the sleep cycle. Even mild and moderate drinking have been associated with an increased risk of cognitive decline, making it important to avoid alcohol consumption. Protecting our brain is very important. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, also known as docosahexaenoic acid, which are essential for brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids have potent anti-inflammatory properties that help protect the brain from chronic inflammation. DHA, in particular, plays a crucial role in maintaining the structure and function of brain cells. It also supports the formation of synapses, the connections between brain cells that are vital for learning and memory. Regular consumption of fatty fish has been shown to reduce the risk of cognitive decline and lower the chances of developing Alzheimer's disease. Including fatty fish in your diet is a simple yet effective way to support brain health and prevent Alzheimer's. Turmeric, a bright yellow spice commonly used in curry, contains a powerful compound called curcumin. Curcumin has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that have been shown to protect the brain from the harmful effects of chronic inflammation and oxidative stress, two key factors in the development of Alzheimer's disease. Curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier and reduce the accumulation of amyloid beta plaques and tau tangles, which are the hallmarks of Alzheimer's. Studies have shown that regular consumption of turmeric can improve memory and cognitive function, making it a valuable addition to a brain-healthy diet. Incorporating turmeric into your meals can provide a flavorful and protective boost to your brain health. So, what are the top meals to prevent Alzheimer's? The healthy keto diet, or keto diet, is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that has gained popularity for its potential benefits in preventing Alzheimer's disease. The keto diet works by shifting the body's metabolism from relying on glucose to using ketones as a primary fuel source. Ketones are produced from fat and are a very efficient source of energy for the brain. This metabolic shift reduces insulin levels, which helps to mitigate insulin resistance, a major risk factor for Alzheimer's. Additionally, the keto diet has been shown to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, further protecting against cognitive decline. While a healthy keto diet may not be suitable for everyone, incorporating healthy fats like avocado, fatty fish, and extra virgin olive oil into your meals can provide some of the brain protective benefits associated with ketosis. The Mediterranean diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, extra virgin olive oil, and fatty fish, has been extensively studied for its protective effects against Alzheimer's disease. This diet is high in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and healthy fats, all of which are essential for maintaining brain health. The Mediterranean diet also includes moderate to high consumption of high-quality proteins, and fruits that contain resveratrol, a compound that has been shown to protect against cognitive decline. Numerous studies have demonstrated that adherence to the Mediterranean diet is associated with a lower risk of Alzheimer's disease and slower cognitive decline. This diet not only supports brain health but also promotes overall well-being, making it an ideal choice for preventing Alzheimer's. In conclusion, Alzheimer's disease is a devastating neurological disorder characterized by progressive memory loss and cognitive decline, primarily affecting individuals over 65 years. While its exact causes remain unclear, a combination of genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors contribute to its onset, with age, poor habits, and family history being significant risk factors. Chronic inflammation, driven by poor diet, stress, and other unhealthy habits, plays a central role in the development of Alzheimer's by promoting the accumulation of harmful proteins in the brain, leading to neurodegeneration. Both sugar and alcohol exacerbate this process, with excessive sugar intake leading to insulin resistance and impaired brain function, while alcohol induces neuroinflammation and oxidative stress, further harming brain health. In contrast, certain foods like fatty fish and turmeric offer protective benefits against Alzheimer's. Fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, which support brain structure and function while reducing inflammation. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that protect the brain from the damage caused by chronic inflammation. Adopting diets like the Mediterranean or healthy keto diet can further reduce the risk of Alzheimer's. The Mediterranean diet, rich in antioxidants and healthy fats, has been shown to lower the risk of cognitive decline, while the keto diet, by promoting ketosis, helps combat insulin resistance and inflammation in the brain. These dietary strategies offer practical ways to support brain health and potentially prevent Alzheimer's disease. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.